Ciabatta bread is an Italian bread known for its floury crust and airy, chewy crumb. Clocking in at just 3 hours start to finish, this ciabatta recipe is a perfect option for a lazy weekend or an evening baking project. To start, we are going to weigh out 500 grams of all-purpose flour. We are then going to add 15 grams of kosher salt. The salt is what is going to give us that delicious taste. Then, to our dry ingredients, we are going to add 6 grams of instant yeast. If you enjoy the art of bread making and would like to learn more about it, then now would be a great time to subscribe so you can continue your deep dive into the world of bread making. Then whisk together all the dry ingredients. Now for our wet ingredients, we are going to add 425 grams of warm water, around 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, for a nice smooth and tasty bread, we are going to add 30 grams of extra virgin olive oil. Mix the dough until it comes together in a messy ball with no dry patches of flour hiding inside. Scrape down the walls of the bowl, gathering the dough into a loose ball at the bottom of the bowl. We are now going to cover the bowl and let the dough rest for 1 hour, performing a set of coil folds every 15 minutes. One set of coil folds consists of 4 coil folds. To perform one coil fold, slide damp hands under opposite sides of the dough and lift straight up from the center, allowing the 2 ends to fold under the center of the dough. Rotate the bowl a quarter turn and repeat. Do this 4 times with 15 minutes in between each set of coil folds. Then let the dough rest for 1 hour. Now line a sheet pan with parchment paper and dust it with flour. If you love bread just the way it is, make sure to leave a like on this video. Flip the bowl upside down over the floured countertop and let gravity pull the dough down. Gently lift the bowl off the dough using your fingers or a bowl scraper to help any stuck pieces of dough release cleanly. Dust the top of your sticky dough and then cut it in half. Cover with a clean dish towel and let the dough rest for about 30 minutes. Bake for 17 to 19 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit until puffed up and light golden brown around the edges. Soft baked ciabatta will seem very hard and crusty when it first comes out of the oven, but will become soft and fluffy as it cools. Cut in half and enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you would also like the video that just popped up on the left side of your screen, so go give it a watch.